The Apiens NFT is my latest money bag alert. You guys do not want to miss out. We'll be checking out their website as well as their Twitter and a reply tweet from an honorary NFT that they made for Paris Hilton, and she replied straight to that NFT. We'll also, if you guys stay tuned to the end of the video, we'll look at their art, take a deep dive, and why I believe the floor price is headed towards a new all-time high. But first, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, before I get started, I just want to give a shout out to the community members that led me on to the Apiens, and that would be Ocho, Mr. Empanada, Jose Luna, and Crypto Tony. Without them, I would have never found out about the Apiens, so I got to give them a shout out and let you Apiens know it's because of them that I'm over here on your guys' website. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on right now. We got the cloth, we got integration clothing with NFTs very soon. We got NFT education for the world, which is something that I stress all the time, something we talk about in the Twitter spaces, and that's also coming soon. An initiative by the Apiens community to raise funds to solve problems of the world. So who wouldn't want to get behind that? I know the Apiens sound like they really want to do something positive for the world, so that's epic right now. We have some of these Apiens, the 10 unique NFTs that were sold out. Obviously, these are just epic, and we're going to take a quick look at them. I already was taking a look, but let's look at the rest of them because this art is just super epic. I really like this, and this Kun Lao looking one, the one eye showing, that is just epic right there. Shout out to whoever did the art. But just want to give you guys a kind of taste before we dove in to the nitty gritty or whatnot of what we're working with right here. We got phase 1, Genesis Apiens launched 10 unique species, marketing and collaborations, personalized NFTs for brands and celebrities, project collaborations, entertainment. We have collaborations with DJs to host a virtual concert and gaming. We got launch, audit, and 4,229 collection launch. Okay, so that's definitely been taken care of. Phase 2, Apiens brand commercialization plan. Okay, so this is huge right here. This is where we start to bring utility into this project. Every holder can build a business around their Apiens NFT. So that gives you a lot of entrepreneurness right there. If that's even a word, we just added it to the vocabulary to be able to, utilize your NFT to make a nickel and dime off of it. Why not, right? That's the whole point behind all of this is, yes, we love the communities. Yes, we love the whole crypto space, but at the end of the day, we all want to make some money too, right? So this is huge where you could still hold on to your Apien, not have to sell your position, and still make money off of it. Holders will get exclusive access to partner brands for any kind of businesses, trade, collaborations, and partnerships, sponsoring IRL fashion shows for brands visibility, building foundations for Apiens ecosystem. So Apiens, I'm going to ask you guys to take this time, go ahead and load up the comments. Make sure you smash that like button and let the Moneybags community know what's up, because this is pretty big for you guys over here. We got blockchain integration merch, NFC integration merch drop. Process is time consuming and may take 3 to 4 months, which is understandable. And I'm going to ask the community that I've learned from being in this crypto space not to rush things like this. If you're already invested into this project, or any project, and you feel that this is solid and you're happy with the way things are going, you do not want to rush things, because what happens is then there's bugs, then there's hacks, then there's problems that later on the team and the community have to fix later on, whether the team has to do it internally and the community has to do it, vocally out and about. But nevertheless, it hurts down the road. So I suggest that, of course, not financial advice, but if this is something that you believe in and a project that's strong and they look like they have fulfilled everything else, then why not trust the process and not rush certain things to come out where later on you might shoot yourself in the foot, okay? Claim your digital merch. You will be able to own the items of your ape separately. Specs, hats, and jackets, okay? So this is the appreciation ape that we're going to take a look at in a second. We got the Apiens team created an honorary piece for Paris Hilton dedicated to her marriage. She has been in this space for a while now and actively educating, elevating, and supporting this space. And that's something that nobody can dispute. And to get Paris Hilton to reply to this, I mean, this is huge right here. After releasing the piece on our Twitter page, it was seen by Paris Hilton herself, where she decided to retweet the post and commented on how much she loved the art. That is huge right there. We're going to make sure and check that tweet out. Make sure that we like and retweet it. I highly suggest that the Apiens, pull up to this video, load up the comments, as well as this tweet that we're going to take a look at after we get done with this. We got the piece is a capsule of Paris Hilton's marriage, life, and love towards the NFT space, and it will remain as part of a historic piece collection in the Apiens nation. So that is huge right there, okay? We got some more collaboration right here that you guys can check out. The Apiens Metaverse wearables, okay? So that's something that's pretty cool. Shout out to the team And I'm going to go ahead and dive right into this tweet right here. This is their official page, but this right here is pretty epic. Let's make sure that we like and retweet this. As we can see, the community has pulled up very strong. Hopefully you guys can pull up to this video the same way. This is over 1,800 likes and over 1,400 retweets. That is huge right there. So shout out to the Apien community. Let's go to their official page. Make sure you give them a follow. I don't think this one's going anywhere. Make sure the bells and notifications lit up so like that you guys do not miss out on their daily content and what they got coming. So let's see what else they got right now. We are live on the Apiens Discord, delivering an update on the staking progress and some alpha information. I'm going to have these official links down in the description below. So like that you guys don't get mixed up anywhere else and you guys can tap in. I know staking is something that they're doing big right now. Shout out to Ocho and the rest of the crew that I've been hanging out with. Crypto Tony, Mr. Empanada, and Jose Luna. These guys have been literally holding it down for the Apiens. Huge, okay? So that's how I know what's going on over here. So let's make sure that we like and retweet everything over here. And now for what you guys have been waiting for, of course, let's go ahead and take a look at this amazing art. Before we get started looking at the volume, I was taking a peek at it. Let's look at the art first. And let's look at these floor prices. Let's see what we got. And then we'll look at the volume. Of course, this art off the top just stands out. It's got some pop, and you can see the drip. Let's just go ahead and call it that, right? Because if these are going to be NFTs that are associated with clothes and with the way somebody looks, then when you look at one of these Apiens off top, you should say, hey, this Apien got some drip, right? He's dressed a certain way because it should have that synergy. It should kind of match. So that's something that I like. That just from a marketing standpoint, that if I look at it, I'm like, okay, if anybody was wearing this, granted, even if it's a little bit different, no matter what, at the end of the day, this is some drip. These are some nice outfits that these Apiens are wearing. I mean, look at this. This just looks cool. This is epic right here. So I can definitely get behind this art. This is art that I could vibe with. I like the drip. I like the way they're dressed. I also like that the project has the right idea where, you know, they're dressed to impress. That's the whole point. Setting up a meta fashion 3D show for you guys. All right. So now let's get to these. Let's get to the volume, and they're trading. They're moving, and the highest. Let's go ahead and take a look at this really quick. Because I believe this floor price, these all-time highs back over here. Of course, we've seen some of those legendary ones sell for a lot more, but these floor prices, I think they're about to get crushed, especially with the staking coming and stuff like that. I can see the floor price of these Apiens lifting up pretty fast, especially once the market starts to pick back up. We can see these around, you know, right underneath 1 ETH, if not exactly 1 ETH, coming up very, very soon, where we're going to crush these all-time highs of this 0.69, especially with the staking and people holding and the community being strong. We also have some updates from the community. If we go back to this Twitter page, some collaborations with Babes Clan. And so that's going to bring in a lot of more eyes. So I really don't see this one going down anytime soon. So like I said, not financial advice, but these floor prices are about to go up. And as of the making of this video, we see the floor prices at a 0.539. Okay. So let's remember these floor prices. I think they're going to be cute for now. And I don't think we're going to see them too much longer. Obviously, OpenSea's not trying to load this up right now, but no big deal. I want you guys to go ahead and smash that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure that bell notifications lit up so you guys do not miss out on any daily content. As we can see, these floor prices, we're going to roll over into the 0.6 very, very fast. It's not going to take much to get these over that all-time high and definitely going to that 1 ETH very shortly. So I want you guys, like I said, make sure that like button is smashed. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Make sure that bell notifications lit up so you guys do not miss out on any Apiens new content coming out in the future, especially if you guys pull up to the comments. We'll see more Apien videos coming out, but I want you guys to continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.